If it's your first time to the channel, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when we upload new video, because I know a lot of persons have subscribed to the channel but they have not been getting notification because we know what the thing go. So when you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified. Or if you don't get notification, check the channel, even 1 time a week or 2 times to ensure so when video upload you get to watch it. So I hope you guys enjoy this one.
Miss Matalier, good morning.
Morning, Miss Candy. How you doing?
I am fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm not doing too bad, But I have a question. You know anybody around the area or who is very good at housekeeping? I need a house help for my house, Because I need to start working,
You know, I have a nice friend and she in need of a job.
Really?
Yes, it was a lucky thing I was passing by. So I could talk to her about this job.
Okay, so you can get to her for me, please, by this evening and get back to me and I will start the interview and so on. You hear?
Yes, no problem.
How you doing? I don't see you coming to church 3 weeks now, Sister Candy.
Anyway, me I go pinch you and tell you one little piece of story about the hypocrite them in our church. Too much of them in there. And you know most of all why me no want come? Me no tell nobody else, Are you alone we go to the church and me dey tell son, but I go tell the pastor.
Tell me, man, you can tell.
Pastor beg front too much. Me tired of him. Every night the man call down my phone. All when me tell him say me have my money, he still a do it. Why you don't stay with him wife?
Really? I heard that his wife did a big operation and took out 3 big fibroids out of her belly.
Lord
yes,
Jesus.
So because of that, she cannot have any sexual intercourse. And with me, no, I don't have any problem down here. But Pastor told me to go on 30 days fasting if I want money to flow into my life. So I am on 30 days fasting, so I can't give my husband a little piece. Even though I jump every now and then, I can't give it to him.
Oh Lord, this pastor. Anyway, me I go take a run. But mind the pastor there where they tell you if you do 30 days fasting in you. So when make sure you say do, put off people if you don't have sex because he want to go have sex with other people in our church.
No.
What about other man? Me not go back there, you still go there?
Yes, I'm going there because my body is the temple of Jesus Christ. Him cannot touch it in the name of the Lord.
Excuse me, me gone. Anyway, may we talk to the person for you. She's a nice girl, Very nice girl, and she's a hard-working person. Me I go make she know, and then me make she come to you.
Yeah, man, thank you very much. And Miss Candy, you need to find a husband, you see? Yes, you need to find a husband to come to church.
You see why I don't want to go to the church? Too much inquisitive people in there. My husband is overseas. He's coming in Jamaica soon. Bye.
Little girl, if you have sense and know if you tap in the dirt, Jesus Christ. God, what me do for deserve this? Where your mother dey? Same thing, you never know where nothing there. Ashley!
Wagwan, a wagwan.
Come here, boy.
What?
You know the reason why I call you?
No?
The reason why I call you is because you have a big old picnic out here, slung up in the dirt, and you in a house. Where in there do?
My business.
Me tell you this. Me have to go back a road, you know. But hold on, mate, because me never sign up for no handicap picnic and responsible for you. All I do is burn ganja.
Me no business what you want to sign up for. For you take up woman in your life or you breed me. You get me one picnic. God knows what she did not go become. Me appreciate her as my picnic. You have to do the same. What you mean? Every day you come to me with argument. You feel like something like this a life too? Me don't like, me never sign up for this. Me never sign up for this either. What we can do about her? She have dirt and arm something what everybody playing and we playing a dirt when we liquor. That is nothing.
You know what? Me a cut. Look how more.
Go on. Go on. That's my business. Come here, my daughter. Everybody want to try style you and deal with it like you worse. Buddy. Every time, God please, give me a way. Go on! Idiot, man. I left more than that dirty place and I don't need every time. What we do, God?
What going, Junior?
There, man. Where you depend on where you go?
You know, say your woman may come check where she is. She over there?
She over there, you know, but where do you want?
We just want to talk to her about some personal stuff between me and her. Remember I said my friend, you know?
Alright, she over there, man. Alright, but you're good though.
Yeah, man. Yeah, alright.
Alright, look at more.
Alright, cool. Ashley! Ashley!
How would that?
Girl, you should know my voice by this. Come out here, so I have good news for you.
Better enough, girl, because I be a dirty bumble, hungry when I go on front door. So what kind of good news you have for me now?
No bother with the smoking. We are talk, man. We are talk.
Real my stress.
No bother with him. Put down his stress one side right now because, you know, say Christmas a come. Me get one job for you.
Really?
Yes, I right. And you get your Christmas and you go want money for spend. I must say you have your little daughter.
You're too lie. Which part I get job for me?
One of my friend. Me and her go I see in church. Yes, I'm a church sister. She asked me not too long me to pass her yard. If me no know nobody we can do housekeeping good. Girl, me know say you no like tidy your place. But the way me will when you get the work.
Yes. You tell them say you know somebody.
God no.
You tell them. You give them number. You give them my number.
Of course. The Matalier them name. That are their surname. The woman last name.
Matalier.
Yes, they married.
Miss
Matalier and Mr. Matalier are a mystery. So you go when you're married. Me not busy about that, but girl may get the job for you. Yes, she want to see you. She will want somebody to clean up her place.
Right now, me just feel light. It come like a miracle. Come like a God send you. That's why me know say you're my friend, you know. Me said Dirty Junior come here a while ago with be a problem and God send you with news now for me feel like.
I lie.
Girl, I can't not even know.
You know, so when me they come pass him pan away, all they ask me when I come to you about him brighty.
Oh, Dirty Junior?
Yes,
they should
the
have
day before that
him.
No, not do it. Me not go put myself in no trouble sake of you. And you know what? He fast as Sophia man did tan. You know say me ask him when I come to you about. What a man fast, how you pick him up?
Me no know. Me must say did pick up truck then time there.
Oh,
but
God.
Me off it. Girl, me glad how you come. Right now, a new page me I go turn. Me done with Dirty
Don't worry
Junior.
yourself. God work in mysterious ways and man work in mischievous ways. Your man too mischievous. A fight, he want fight, you have. Who to tell if you not start running out of
Yeah.
it? Just look out for one call. Then we direct you and tell you if you come. You hear?
Yeah.
Anyway, me can't stay long. And me no want a little dirty footman come see me over here and make him wonder where we are chatting so long. So guess what? Me the on my way.
Alright.
Me have whole heap of things to sort out.
Alright, big up yourself.
Alright.
Sexy body. Thank you.
You're welcome.
God's gift in idea. Yeah. Me know, man.
Alright.
Thank God for you. What a good friend, man. God, you're really good to me.
What time is it? I don't understand, you know. Oh, that lady can't come as yet. What is taking her so long?
Listen, I have an extra meeting and I can't stay here too long. So if she's not there by 10 minutes, I'm gone about my business.
No, you have to stay and help me with the interview.
Honey, this is why I'm married, you know, because I thought you had responsible mind then. So why you can't just do the interview?
I have a responsible mind, but it is both of us house and both of us child, so it is both of us that come together to do anything.
Listen, I am working every day. I have new clients who I have to deal with on a daily basis. So why you can't just stay home and just ensure say the little girl is alright?
You know, I don't want to just stay home and be just a housewife and go to church. I want to work my own money and help out in the house, you know. I need to come out, man. I need to be free. Church and home is not good enough for me anymore.
So you look like a she come there.
Oh, that lady? Oh my God, what is that? She coming with a handicap.
No, why you just say that?
Good afternoon. Is this Mr. and Mrs. Matalian?
Hello, good evening, dear. It is not Mottelier, it is Mottelier. Mottellier. Mottelier, all right?
Hello?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes. You are the lady that Madam Candy sent to me?
Oh, yes. My name is Ashley Campbell, and this is my daughter, Brandy.
Okay, hello, Brandy. So, how old are you, if I may ask?
I'm 29.
Okay, so do you have any experience in housekeeping?
Yes, I do. I used to work with an old lady before. I used to do nursing. Yeah. So I know about housekeeping because I stay while I nurse her.
Oh, so you do a living jobs?
Yes.
Well, I am happy you mentioned that because the job with me, you're going to have to be a living house helper. You understand? You will also be required to take care of my daughter. I have a 16-year-old.
Oh,
She can
you
be a
do?
little rough around the edges sometimes, but you know you can tame her. She's a nice little young lady, but she do teenager stuff. And I am a very big and respectable Christian woman. I am the leader of the church, you know?
Okay.
My husband, he just walked out a while ago. He's not really in the church, but I'm pulling him in surely. And why are you looking like that, ma'am? You're distracted?
No, I'm hearing you.
Okay. So, tell me a little bit about yourself and be very quick because I have an appointment. I have to go home and my husband have the same step out.
Well, as I said, my name is Ashley Campbell. This is my daughter, Brandy. I have experience in housekeeping, and I am the best person that you could ever hire around your daughter, as well as I have mine here. So, you know, I know about children and the house.
So, how old is she?
She's 16.
Oh, just like my daughter. So, my
Yes.
daughter will have company and so on.
Yes. I have to take her with me if she wasn't a special child. She's really special. So I have to take her everywhere with me because nobody can take care of her like
No problem,
a
man.
mother.
No problem, man. You can bring her. There's an extra room where you and her can stay, you know?
Yes.
And you'll pick up in due time, etc. But let me be very quick. I will pay you. I think my husband and I will decide on it. But I was thinking about paying you $50,000 per month. Is that okay?
Well, that's fine with me.
Okay. And you will live on weekends and so on when my husband and I are home. You might be able to go home to your family. You have a husband, ma'am?
Well, no,
Well,
not
you
anymore.
don't married. You young people, you must marry, you know, but I'm not going to get into that right now. So you can go home to your family and whatever, and you come back early Monday morning, fresh to clean up and do the do. That's
Well,
how.
question.
Okay, so
I
this is
won't
what we're
be
gonna do. We don't have all time, all right? So just when you say you can come
tomorrow.
tomorrow, all right, fine. Just finish, wrap this up, all right? Because I have another important call.
You see what I was telling you, my husband and I have to go. Would you like something to drink?
Yes.
All right. Honey, can you buy us something to drink? You have any money on you?
Come on, man. Just give her it, man. After
I
run.
like to be a nice lady, you know.
After run, just.
All right, here. Buy yourself a drink, and you have my phone number. Oh, let me give you my phone number, or I'll take yours. Come, give me your phone number, please.
859
859
2216.
16, and it is Miss Ashley Campbell. All right, I will be keeping touch. All right, bless you. God bless you. You hear?
God bless you
Have a
too.
lovely evening.
Thank you.
Come on, Miss Campbell. Honey, Miss Campbell is here.
Welcome, welcome.
Yeah, so come, let me show you your room and introduce you to the house and so on. So this is the visitor quarters, so it will be your room, alright? This is the bathroom.
Yo, dog, the way you say me and a day, but you know,
And this is my daughter's room. Christina, baby?
yes, mommy.
I can come?
Yeah.
Okay, ladies here. Yes. So this is, oh my God, you are sleeping? Sorry, my angel. This is my angel, Christina. I love her so much. She is so much of an angel.
Nice to meet you.
You're not going to bring your things in here, you know. Remember, your quarters over there. So you'll take care of this little angel for me, please. Oh my God, she is such a darling. Remember, she's 16 years old, but she acts like a little baby. You know, she's always my princess.
Oh, hi, Christina.
Hi.
I will be your new nanny. This is my daughter, Brandy. Hi, Brandy.
So you have a little play friend, you need here? So that would be all. Remember, that is your room over there. And Brandy, if you need anything, my little princess she's always a nice girl. She will help you out. You hear? So come.
Okay.
All right, my baby, you want anything?
No, mommy.
Nothing at all. I'm going to buy some snacks and juice, you know. All right, my princess. I love you, okay? I'm going to talk to your daddy now. All right.
Miss Campbell. Miss Campbell. Yes, Christina. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You know, say me I my grandmother.
Down your grandma? What you going to do? But nobody never say anything to me like that.
You know, say, there's no one then I go down there, go help her, like, wash the cleaning and stuff. Cause she alone down there.
Your mother never mentioned anything like that to me. Nobody said anything like, but, I mean, is it something you always do?
Yes.
I believe you and I trust you because you are a Christian and I don't think you would tell a lie like that. You can do it. You can go.
One more question.
Yes?
Your daughter can follow me?
My daughter?
Yes.
You know, my daughter is not 100% right in her brain.
Nothing not go wrong with her. I go hold her hand and I go walk in a banking so she go be safe.
Me not think you can handle her from there. But alright, she can go with you. Probably need the company. Oh, you know what? Tell her I call her. Tell Brandy I call her before.
Yep, that's mommy.
I need you to follow Christina. Go to our grandmom's place. Make sure you walk in the banking and make sure you walk in the banking with her. Look up and down when you're crossing the street. Make sure it's no car or nothing now coming across, alright?
Yes, mommy.
Alright. You can go and come back. Come back before time. By the time when you come back, just call me.
Yes,
Alright. big mansion. You call me friend here. Hello, Candy. What? Girl, I don't know guys. Oh, yeah. I miss you, man. A different number. But other than that, me, I thought to tell you thing. Right now, I'm moving up. Me and Brandy. They have one big mansion. We get to work. Yeah, girl. I sit down in there, people in place right now, on weed and cigarette. You know, so they not even know some smoke and drink. Boy, you come give me a link. Go send your location powers. You're supposed to know already, you don't know how much part them day. Yeah, that's the president. Alright. Yeah, we're fine.
Ashley, maybe I get. Come here. Yeah, come. Alright. Yeah.
Hey, girl. So I just some of this, you know.
Remember something more?
Yeah.
Get to work, girl. I want
Tell her.
you're going like a foreigner today. What?
There. You want some more inside?
I'm not drink and you know that. I don't drink and I don't smoke. Actually, you forget to work and you smoke on it. And they smoke and they drink on the people them job.
That really a kill up yourself over. You know this is my regular routine. We are making things look so.
You're not supposed to drink and smoke on the people them place.
Watch ya.
Where there people them place and smoke and I drink. Actually, me and a friend, but me can't allow you to do that. Me can't allow you to do it. God no. Suppose you drink and drunk and then come see you fall asleep. How that go? Ashley, camera there if you never know. Look.
Oh, if you know say camera out here make me turn up out of the smoke and drink. Come on, me.
Yeah, work here. You should have known one day you have.
You feel glad, see I know you did do it. I know you are going in trouble.
Yeah, but you will lose your job and that you feel know.
But the only thing me I lose that man.
This nice too.
Oh, you see to replace new? No heap of furniture in there, but I just said the biggest thing. You know anything? In there's a room push for me still. So we can go in there, see? Nice place. Clean, free, fresh. You know?
Nice. Yeah.
So this is a room. It's a nice too. Oh,
nice.
Yeah.
I don't like some people get you know.
No money good. Oh, yeah, say girl, and that's how we live. All
Alright.
things different.
Alright, so where you going now? Your daughter me ask about which is the Brandy.
Oh, Brandy gone on the road with the boss daughter. Chelsea.
With who?
Christina.
Like seriously, Ashley? You know say Brandy a handicap and you send her gone on the road. Suppose you make she walk in the road and car go bounce her. And you police are go come for you if you have sense.
Well, me glad Brandy a handicap and not on the boat. Else them would have walked on her.
No say that.
She good. A
Nobody not
God's
walk
gift.
on her. A God's gift. Everybody a God's gift. But me not like what you just say. Remember say you're pitney. You don't like nobody else has said
Change the
about your child.
topic, Candy. I never that me call for.
What you call me for? You can't
Because if you show you a place and
But
show you
she-
say
let me
the upgrade if it can help Brandy.
Me see the place and me glad say you get the little work when me make you. When I talk to my friend them about you, call my friend them and I make you get it. But I hope you remember that drink in front of the boss. Because me
Me
sorry
not
for
do
you.
that. Me not do that. Me dey on my pizza. When me dey run them, me know them a Christian. Me adjust to the Christian world. When them gone, me a feel, you know, me a bad.
But you know, so when you drink alcohol, one dangerous thing. You can stand up way out there so they talk, and then they over here start talking to you and they smell it, so that give away. So you have to be careful. You want to lose your job, you know, say
them
that,
have history, they're rich. Them have everything. You don't have to worry about that department.
So Ashley, after people them take them good money and pay you for them job. You use all them things and they say they have listerine like the people them things are yours. Be careful of where you do. Cause me.
You happy for me or you come for done?
No, me happy for you, my friend. Me happy for you. If you never want to get the job, cause you miss say you suffer, you put me, you need that stuff. That's why me give you the work. But me have to tell you. Me have to tell you because them people are real Christian people. And me no want them come call me and they ask me which ghetto girl this or where me get it from. Me no, you know that. It's me can't recommend nobody else.
But remember saying you are a ghetto girl and me. And me, them are going to blame you.
No, don't get me wrong.
My shoes.
Ashley, me attack, you attack, me know you're not doing from me. I said that's how you continue.
I understand, say you get to work for me, yeah. I respect that the part they don't.
But it is wrong to drink on your job. I know
it's wrong for you to watch me. I want me
to watch you and your friend and a good friend tell you the right thing. You cannot do that and you smoke, supposed to fall asleep. Then come and call you, ring your bell, you're not here.
Me ever hear.
And then Brandy a handicap, she not gonna know say a bell they ring to go home up door so. What is your problem you look like? You don't want me to correct you.
Yeah, they correct me about this and that like me and a big woman. And keep on tell me say Brandy a
you know for we, a big woman and we are idiot. If you glad say you have a friend like me we can put up on the right side.
You don't know?
Alright, I'm good.
You done? Let me take your last drink and the last smoke. I know he's a good friend enough. When last I passed them, I'm all yard.
Don't have a long time place where you used to live. You know, say a long time you don't pass through them place though. You have other business to sort out. Yes.
So when last I see Junior, the Junior in.
You know what? You say if me don't talk, so me no want to go in your business no further. That a few and Junior business and Brandy business. You know we got to take up idiot for anyway. I have so much things to do down on my yard, but I go sort out it right now. I close online and it look like rain of a fall. I never come for steal them.
And that's true, and that Junior not top call on my bird. Every day Junior ring me down, they ask me about Brandy. If he say, true, we left the place now, we go run down from come back and foot. No, me and Brandy good wish part with it. So if you see him,
me is not a news reporter, you know already. Me not go to him. I am not
not
tell him nothing. Anytime you see him, I your baby father with the and him, they are one of them. Me not go in a story. You come out when we go chat and tell him, you say, me you never say this and if you come out and me chat too much. Guess what?
Girl, bye.
Alright, take care.
Yeah.
Girl, you're not about a family co-worker. That's terribly.
Girl, are you in a, are you cousin or are you just
I told you, take care.
How you come and
you got to come and close them later, man. Because it's a big card now.
You didn't know say we good.
Youth, no. You want to try it? Yeah. I'm going to make you try it. See this? Go on this one. I'm going to make you try it. Take a jar. Come on.
Action.
See? I like it. Try it. Me no want no more. I come out dinner. You know, if you try so strong. So how me fi try? Take a look at him. Try one, try. So? Nice, man, nice.
I know you're an idiot, you know.
Nice.
So you're an idiot.
Nice.
Yes, Miss Metal here.
Can I come in?
Yes, Miss.
Good afternoon. Have you seen Christina?
Yes, I sent she and my daughter. Oh, Christina told me she was going to her grandmother. And I also sent Brandy with her.
Christina don't have a grandmother, Miss Campbell.
Yes, that's what Christina said to me.
Christina could have never told you that because Christina does not have a grandmother. Her father wasn't raised with a mother. And my mother died 16 years ago when I was pregnant. So Christina does not have a grandmother, Miss Campbell. Maybe you heard wrong.
Yes, I heard exactly what Christina said, and that's what she said.
That is strange. Christina don't have a grandmother, Miss Campbell, so you need to get it right.
Hey. Christina told me that, Miss Matelier, and you can ask her.
You know you're right. I'm going to ask her when she comes because that is very strange. Christina cannot tell you that she's going to her grandmother when she does not have a grandmother. And I know my baby wouldn't do something. When she come back, I would have a grandmother.
Hey, little girl, where you come from? Which part to go? Come here. Which part to go?
Can go look for mom.
What? Yeah, two man did it and he said, wanna feel me? Did he touch you?
No, he not touch me.
He not touch no part of you? None of them touch Christina?
Yeah, I'm going to one room.
Alright, no say nothing. Did he touch you? He touch Christina?
Yeah, I'm going to a room with one eye, mom.
Come sit on yourself if me ever see around that little bad girl that getting bitten again. I'll pop up here.
Yo, brother, yes, when me tell you to stop next time, you stop next time. Come like you want done it and not have no more forget. Ease up and fight. No.
Ready, Brittany?
Christina, my baby, come here.
Yes, mommy.
Christina,
Yes, mommy.
I heard that you're back. I have a question to ask. Where did you go earlier today?
Mommy, go up on the road, I'm going to shop.
So why did Miss Campbell tell me that you told her you are going to your grandmother?
Me, mommy? Yes. Jesus Christ.
No. It is a sin to call the Lord's name in vain. Only call it in prayer.
Mommy, me tell the lady say, me was shop. And me ask her if make her daughter follow me. Me tell her something. Jesus Christ.
Don't worry, my baby. I know and I understand everything. I know you would never ever tell such a lie because you don't have a grandmother. You've never known a grandmother. So you know what I'm going to do, baby? I'm going to go back and I'm going to speak to Miss Campbell about it. She needs to stop the lying because I know you never ever tell a lie from the day you were born. You've been an angel. You've always been honest. So don't worry, my baby. It's so. I'm gonna deal with it. Miss Campbell.
Yes, Madeline.
You know, I think you need to get your facts straight.
About?
I spoke with my daughter a while ago. Yes, I spoke with Christina. And she told me she did not tell you she was going to her grandmother. She told you she was going to the shop to buy a drink because you provided nothing in the house for her to drink.
Wow.
So she took Brandy along with her. So Brandy could also get something and she was very kind to use her own money and sponsor your daughter something to drink. You know, I think you're not hearing clearly or you're lying.
Well, Miss Matelier, that's what your daughter really told you?
Yes.
That's why they always say there's two sides to a story, you know. Because my daughter came to me and I asked her what happened. And she told me your daughter bring her on a ends with man.
What are you saying to me, Miss Campbell? My darling Princess Christina, my sweet something of an angel, brought your child on the road to take man and all of those stupidness. Look, your daughter, remember, your daughter is not 100% up here. So your daughter will tell you anything. But let me tell you, my Christina is of credible information. She's of sound mind. So she will tell me the truth. Christina, baby, come here. Christina, my princess. Come on, baby. Oh my God, why are you crying? Oh Lord, never mind, my sweetheart. Brandy said you took her on the road to meet her boyfriend and to smoke. Christina, you don't have to defend yourself. You don't have to defend yourself, my baby. No, my baby, you don't have to defend yourself. I know you would not do something like that.
You know me a virgin.
I know you're a virgin, my baby, and I don't have to bring it to the doctor to find that out. I know. I can prove it. My God. Never mind, my baby. Never mind. Never mind. You see what is happening now? You see what is happening because of your daughter who is not functional up here. She causing my baby to cry from you coming to this house, you and your daughter, you know. Never mind, my baby. Never mind. Never mind. From you coming to this house, you've been causing chaos. Look, I don't even want you to utter a word about this my husband here because he's a madman and you won't like it, you know. You won't like it telling lies on our babe. It's okay. You know what? Have a nice day. I forgive you. Come, me, baby. Alright, never mind. I know you never do nothing, my baby. I know you never do nothing.
See what me tell about them? Lucifer, you want me to work for? You see what me tell you? If me see you run that little devil of a child, what them see a princess and Christian, I pop up here now.
Brandy?
Brandy!
Yes, mommy.
Come here.
Mommy.
Me know some should have seen a go shop, you know. But the other day when you and Christina go shop, when you come back good and everything was alright. So what more you go shop, more you buy one bun and cheese. So remember look up and down when you cross the road and such. Yeah.
So you can wear my toast too?
Girl, buy the amount of juice what Christian people them have in them fridge. Go on a shop and come.
Juice that, mommy.
Go buy what me tell her. I remember if you look up and down when you cross the road.
Yes.
And don't talk to nobody when you go out there.
Yes, mommy.
Hey! This where I go.
Mommy send me go shop.
You want us to come in here? You know, I've been asking if I come here. You know, look like you're so right, it's still, but your body look right to me. I like what I see. But listen, don't let my daughter and my wife and your mother know about this. This can be a very financial exercise for you. You know? I'll just ensure whenever time we do anything, you compensate it properly. It's like our hair look a little bit dry. I mean, I can give you something, take your time and set up yourself, you know? Don't want to be. You understand what I'm saying, right? It's just between me and you.
Yes, mommy?
Where's she away? Oh, I can come?
Yeah.
You alright, my baby?
Yeah.
I haven't seen you come outside since the start of the morning. What's wrong?
You know, mommy, I don't feel good.
You feeling sick? You having a fever?
Let me check. But you're not having a fever.
Is it your time of the month?
No.
You don't know? How can you not know? Well, I'm just looking for the remote for the TV. Have you seen it? Mine isn't working. Yeah. But what is this? This look like weed.
I don't know.
Smell it. It smells very strong.
Oh, mommy, I saw the maid smoking other day.
But I clearly told Miss Campbell no smoking in my house, no dance hall behaviors, and no short. You know what? It's not going to make any sense. I sit and discuss it with you, your child. I'm going to discuss this with Miss Campbell because I don't allow these form of demonic things in my house. This is a house of the Lord. Christina, baby,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
be back. Miss Campbell,
Yes, Miss Marshall.
what is this? You're so irresponsible. You can't
Hold on, back up. You support. What do you mean I am irresponsible? I know nothing about that. Ask your daughter.
Oh, so you know what it is. You know exactly what it is. I found it in Christina's room behind the TV. Christina told me that the other day she saw you smoking. So you're the only person in my house who would be smoking because my daughter don't smoke and I don't smoke and my husband, for Christ's sake, does not smoke.
Everything you tell me, Christina told you. Christina told me that. Everything Christina is not a Christian as you think. You better check your daughter. Check her background or your husband. Because I don't have nothing to do with that. I don't even smoke, Miss Matalene.
You're trying to tell me that my sweet angel Christina is not that. Look, I know my daughter. You don't know my daughter, you know. You started working here the other day. I carried her in my stomach for 9 months and 16 years on this earth. My daughter does not smoke. She would never ever do something like that. You come here to turn my house upside down. You come to turn it into a hooligan house. I don't even know what to call it because I don't want to go against my doctrine. You know what? This is the last straw that broke the camel back. You're packing your things and you and your handicap getting out of here. I am sorry.
Well, we can leave. Every time I notice you as a Christian woman, you always refer to my daughter as a handicap. And my Christina, oh, your special little angel, your special little angel that you think, I will not class her. I left her to the Lord because you say you're a Christian, which it seems like I am. Miss Matalene, me I left her place right now. Let me get to the Jamaican way.
Yes,
We can leave.
Let me open the door for you.
Who you in? Who is you? Dirty family. Come, my daughter, come. No, you can't class my daughter. My daughter is in better category than yours.
You're not even married. Excuse living a sinful life.
Brandy, what to you? Clark, God of Nazareth. Look at girls. What you doing? Have me there for me? What happened to you? You never know nothing yet. Come on, might as well me just carry to the hospital. Yes, shit, me look. Tapping eyes, how who do it? Who get her pregnant? Talk to me, who get her pregnant? Who?
Christina, father.
Them that dirty thinking Christian people that when they abandon me out of their home. What kind of You shame me. You disgrace me. Imagine if you know say you is a disabled pitney. Your father put me out and we have to beg him for making take queen after people them run me out. And you not tell me, but what me tell you say when nobody touch you, you have to tell me. And you really gonna make that dirty foot corner boy they breed you? You better shut up before me lick out your rest of senses them, your few where you have left. Come on! We are growing the right now! Stop it now!
But what are you two doing here?
Why am I here? You really have the audacity to ask why am I here? But you're bright and out order.
Yes, I'm asking you because I know I fired you. I'm not out of my mind. I'm very sure I fired you, so you shouldn't be here. You have no business being here at my gate.
Fired me, yes? Yes, you fired me. But you and your dirty husband and your dirty bad getting pitney, but you know a Christian. You know is a bag of Christmas bad gift. You should have known say your husband breed me daughter.
My husband did what? My husband would never ever stoop so low to get a thing like that pregnant. You crazy? You must be out of your mind. Look, you need to get away from my gate before I call the police on you.
Mrs. Matalene. That's all that. You should have been ashamed of yourself. If you say yes, if you stand up here say in front of my daughter whom you and your husband claim is a handicap. But yet, your big stinking husband breed my handicapped daughter. Call police. The whole neighborhood need to hear this. This not for I, this not for well done. This shit is a shame on a Christian family. You stand up, we gonna leave. Yes, me and my daughter gonna leave. But the pitney have to ban. This belly have to ban and we are come back with revenge. On a nasty bongo, no be bongo.
You can do all of what you would like to do because I know that when the end of this come out, it will never be for my husband because my husband will never, ever stoop so low. I know my husband the way I know the back of my hand, more than I know myself. I can swear for my husband. He would never, ever stoop so low to things like you. Good morning.
Morning, me can talk to you a little bit, you know, long more I see you.
What happened?
No, me need to talk to you, You can pull over on the side and let me talk to you, please. It not take long.
Alright, sure, I'll come in.
Alright. Good morning, Miss Matalier.
Good morning, Sister Candy, and how you doing?
You know me good?
That is very good.
Right, you know me I try to see if me can make some money on the road. Me have some detox pill for the people that have big fat belly. And I insult you, you know, me and a friend I will go. Me used to go at the same church. Me not come back there. Anyway, now go another part there. You see them pill here? Look on it good. You see it?
But Sister Candy, talking this and talking that about bedroom and what? You know that the other day when I asked you for a helper, I didn't know that it was such a demon you would send to me. She come into my house, she creating chaos. She tell me that my daughter took her daughter on the road to go and look some boyfriend. And you know that is a lie from the pit of hell. And then she coming to me telling me about my husband and her daughter doing some form of ridiculousness. But that is a lie from the pit of hell because I know my husband will never do something like that.
Miss Matalier, better you stop talking if you don't know what you talk say. Whatever you hear, I saw you go fit you. Because me take me to where and see that they did it. When the action when they go on. Me see your husband a carry the woman that go straight in the cane piece.
That is a lie.
It is true. Wait there. I feel I them may have a mine. A mine or a yours?
Maybe you saw him helping her out.
Helping her out doing what on the street side? They draw people pitting in a key and piece. I too me never want to create excitement and cause no problem.
Did you see Miss Candy?
You're deaf or you're blind? Me just tell you say, me see your husband, they draw the same girl when me care come give you. Fi work down a fear yard. For your daughter. You know get it? Me see your husband and draw the woman daughter go in at the key and piece. Me can show you it on my phone because me video it.
Come, you say you have the video. Show me the video.
Lord
Show me
have
the video,
mercy.
Sister
Me
Candy.
can put up this on your card top?
Yes, put it up there and show me the video.
Alright. Me come in.
Because I'm tired of this foolishness now.
Wait, so much video in this phone here.
And I had to fire her. I had to fire her. Come, show me the video.
Hold on. Just look on the video. We talk about that later. How for that? Not the woman where they work with the daughter.
Brandy?
Then who for pitney that? Who name Brandy?
Miss Campbell child.
Not the same woman when me care come for work with you.
No. It's okay. You
Which no?
It's
who
okay.
for child this?
No, I know it's my husband. I cannot believe
who
this
for
now.
husband this?
It is my husband.
You're blind? Okay.
You know
Anyway.
what? I'm going home to sort this out
Me-
right
you know what?
here and right now.
Me glad say you see your husband pan it. Cause your face say lie me they tell pan your husband. Me don't want your husband.
It's okay, Sister Candy.
Anyway, me see you.
Okay, see,
Don't drop them enough. You can't even put on your cane for your bit. But when they have crosses, they come.
Miss Campbell?
Brandy, bring the clothes them inside for me, please. Let me handle her.
I need to have a word with you. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. The other day, you know, the other day, the little incident that happened, I am very sorry about it. Because, you know, what you was telling me, it was true. And I had to pray to God about it and tell him to show me the way, you know. I had to put out my husband also because I found out that you need to control these wasps flying around.
Listen to me, Miss Matalene. You're down at my place now, so you better have respect down here. This is not your place, and not your playpen. Me tell you about your dirty husband before. I don't even want my daughter to hear them something. Me tell you about your husband long time, and you denied it. And your daughter, I will know about you, Christian.
Yes, but I am sorry, like I said, and I had to put him out of the house. But when the baby born, or if you want me to help you now, I will give you financial assistance, and when the baby is born, I will take full responsibility. I will take care of the child as it is my own, because you know it is my husband's own. And if you want to do an abortion, you know.
About what? Don't tell me it's she. The only thing that should be aborted is the Christianity out of your life. Listen to me. I'm a big woman, and I should be the Christian here, based on my life and everything with my daughter. I don't do that. I never aborted my daughter, so why should I let my young daughter do that?
Yes, I understand. I never
Understand? Are you saying it to me?
Yes. I am very sorry about that, you know. And I wasn't putting it on you to do it, you know. I was saying if you consider doing it, then no problem. I would fund the assistance. But I am very sorry, and you know, it's okay. I will take care of your daughter and the child if needs be. All right. So you know where to find me. I'm at my home, and you have my number also. All right, Miss Campbell. Have a blessed day. And where is your daughter, Brandy? Brandy! Call her for me, please.
What you want Brandy for?
I want to apologize to her from the bottom of my heart.
Well, listen to me, Miss Matalene. I accept your apology, but me no want you see my daughter. Me don't want my daughter confront something. So you what? Me glad you find out, boy, your nasty husband with a nasty life. I have your number. If there's anything, I will contact you. Okay?
All right, I can shake your hand.
That's enough, Miss Matalene.
All right. God bless you. The good Lord be
God
with you and
bless you.
cover your house under the blood, all right?
God bless
Okay, all right. Not for me. Mr. Motelier.
Is what no make you call me like that. You come on for your fasting, eh?
I think we need to talk. I'm not joking with you. We need to talk. I'm so upset right now. I'm trying to hold it in. How could you? I don't even know where to start.
So when you come load up the mountain and place. So you see me there, so from morning me have some clients work for me need to do some architect work on. And you come in with the nonsense. Look from me then and give me no sort out. Eh? Are you not see that? You
Look, shut up. Shut up. Do not tell me about.
Excuse me?
Sort out. Everything that Miss Campbell was saying to me was the truth. And I swear on the Bible, I swear on my life, I swear on my child's life, I swear on our marriage.
Hold on. So what you trying to say?
Miss Campbell told me her daughter was pregnant.
So long, Miss Campbell's daughter is pregnant. What does that have to do with me?
Miss Campbell told me her daughter was pregnant for you. And I denied it. Candy showed me the video of you bringing Miss Campbell's handicapped daughter, oh my God, into the cane field, dragging her along.
Alright, son. You see, this is why they have a saying, say, if you don't know the Bible, you don't turn the page. Miss Candy need to mind her business. Because the little girl, I drive past and I see her go over there, so she want a cane. So I go over there to give her a joint of the cane, to help her papa cane.
You're so right. You took her and you gave her a joint of your cane. How could you be so worthless? How could you stoop so low? I've been preserving myself for fasting. I didn't expect you would go on the road and have sex with somebody, much less a handicapped 16-year-old. Are you stupid? I can't even get the authorities involved. I'm so ashamed. How am I going to walk on the road? I'm going to walk and have to hold my head down. Look. This family is falling apart. This is a dysfunctional family.
You cause this family to fall apart. Because I make the dirty pastor boy I will tell you, say, you know, you forget upon fasting and not forgive me nothing. What you expect me to do? Eh? Me a man. You think me a man? Me and him salt, boys. Me the road every class in there. I make money for coming here so to make sure say you alright and you not have to work. And me can't get nothing from you. Eh? It's thirsty, me thirsty.
Why did you go in front of the pastor and say our wedding vows? Until death do us part in sickness and in health. This is in sickness and health. I am trying to attract money into the home. That is why I went on fasting.
So you locking up your legs and not give me none. How that I got attract money? And when me and the one out there with the construction company every day to make sure so you have money. You don't know how here buy, you don't know how food I buy. You all not at all. Listen to me. This is why I work so hard, you know. To ensure say me have a decent family and me have and this is why you come down to. Eh?
I'm done with this back and forth thing. It's not making any sense. This house is falling apart. Our daughter is having sex. She's also smoking. Miss Campbell told me and I denied it so bad. Why do I keep protecting my family? I keep protecting my family. You know what? I'm done. One of us is going to move out. Either you move out or I move out. And you know what? I'm not moving out. This is my matrimonial home. I worked my way into this. I worked hard for this family. So you're going to move out. I'm not moving out and you're bringing your stupid daughter with you.
This is why, as a man, you must ensure, say, you have something put on one side where your wife don't know about. Because things like them, eh? You don't know how this building, not because it's a marriage. You come in at this a brokers papa, and me take you up and build you and make you become a wife. You can walk around in a community and you can go.
So you're shoving things in my face?
Shoving things in your face. It's a good thing. So me have another house when me build where you never know about. No worry yourself. Keep this one. Here? Keep this. You know worry yourself. Me make sure so me anything me have left here, me come get them. Me send come get them. Because you can't style me, you know. Just ensure say you pay the light bill on if you pay.
Pack your things and... No. You're going to contribute to the bills.
It simply means if you're hearing the sound of my voice, it means that you have watched the video to the end. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. It is coming on to the end of the year, and I want to say thank you to everybody that has been supporting us throughout the years. The persons that will call, send a donation, the persons that will have vested interest in what we do. We want to say thank you to you guys for all the love and support. Also, I know you guys have been showing your concern as it pertains to 1010 being sick and everything. She's still in the hospital, but you don't know, we are praying for her, and hopefully, if she do even spend the Christmas, hopefully she can come out for the new year. So thank you guys for supporting and watching. All right, so let's get down to the meat of the matter. I know you guys have seen us wearing this shirt in the movie, and you might wonder what it's all about. So let me explain. It's a company called Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. And it is simple as ABC. When you hear that, you're supposed to know what it means. But let me explain. This company, what they offer is detox. You know, a lot of time throughout the years, you eat up a whole heap of meat, you eat up, you smoke, you do all the things, you drink, all the things that you're not supposed to do. But this detox, what it does, it detox your body, get rid of all of the toxin out of your body and make you feel revived again. And also, I'm not going to say it like that still, but I'm going to say it still. For the man them where non-perform and maybe a woman and tell you or whatever, we have a natural remedy. But not talk about no Viagra and them bag of things that we can give you a heart attack and that. But talk about things that is made from our natural herbs where they are Jamaica. The bedroom tonic. You take this, in a half an hour, you're ready to go. And even after the half an hour, the next day and the next day, still a last in your body. So this is the thing. So I want to make sure, so the link will be provided in the description, and also we are going to provide the link on the video so you guys can know exactly how to get in contact with Dr. Jack so you can get your little one pill will last forever. It's better than all the other things that we hear them advertise, the drink, this, that. This a real deal. So I'm going to check it out. And if you don't have problem, erection problem or whatever, still can, you know, spice up a thing. So big up on yourself, and thank you for Dr. Jack for showing interest in what we're doing and want to do some promotion with us. So big up yourself. And remember, check out Dr. Jack.